Welcome to WebStylePress. I asked a question in community tab. It was, what's the output of console log true plus true? Options were true, 1, error and 2. It received 47 votes. Most people selected true, but the answer is 2. True plus true equals 2 in JavaScript. Let me explain how. True outputs true. True plus true equals 2. True plus 1 equals 3. Similarly, true plus 1 plus 10 equals 13. In JavaScript, when you try to perform arithmetic operations with non-numeric values, the language attempts to implicitly convert the non-numeric values into numbers before performing the operation. This is called type coercion. When you have an expression like true plus true, JavaScript converts the true values into their numeric equivalents. In this case, true is converted to a number 1. So the expression becomes 1 plus 1, which equals 2. For the expression true plus 1, the same type coercion happens. The true values are converted to 1. So the expression becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 3, and so on. So I hope this clears that concept. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.